Hello and welcome to the 46th tutorial in the SFML 2.1 series. In this part we're going to be looking at frame rate. We'll be using the source code from the third tutorial. If you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. So frame rate is very crucial when creating games. Generally you want a high frame rate. 60 is an industry standard that developers strive for. Luckily SFML allows us to get the time between frames, allowing us to work out the frame rate. So let's just go ahead and open up our project. So to print out, what we're going to do is print out the time between each frame. And so first of all we need to create a SF clock. I'm just going to name it clock. And now what we need to do in our while loop, well this morning because there's no semicolon, in our while loop just here, we're going to do SF time, and time will equal clock dot get elapsed time. Now we're going to do std c out. I'm going to do time dot as seconds, std end line, and we just need to reset the clock afterwards. And the reason we need to reset it is because we're getting the time between frames and not the cumulative time of the application that has been running. So we're going to do clock dot restart dot as seconds. And now if we just run our application, okay, we have the time between frames. At the moment it doesn't really mean anything, but to actually get the frame rate, all we need to do is 1.0f divide by time as seconds, and let's rerun our application. And there we go, we have our frame rate. It is coming up as about 1,900, 2,000, 2,300 or so, at least that's what it looks like to me. We can also set the frame rate limit, and to do that you just do window.set frame rate limit. I'm going to put 15, and this will try and get as close to the frame rate limit as possible. It may be lower, but it will try not to go any higher. Okay, we have 15 and it's doing about 12, 13 point something, so we've capped the frame rate. Little task for you, work out how to enable vertical sync. You may need to look at the SFML forums and their resource. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.